Welcome to Heilind Electronics Europe website. Let's start with your main navigation hub, the blue bar. This is where you'll find our core offerings and expert content. Products. This is your gateway to our massive inventory. Everything is organized by category of products. Manufacturers. Looking for a specific brand? You can browse alphabetically or view our full line card to see our world-class partners. Feel free to explore our connector assembly offer as well. Industries. Here, you'll find solutions tailored specifically to sectors like aerospace, medical devices, automotive, and much more. Our Resources tab is a complete toolkit designed for every professional. Compliance programs. This is where you can find our formal terms and conditions and our privacy policy to ensure a secure partnership. Literature. Access our library of technical catalogues and brochures, press releases. Follow our latest company news and official announcements. Quality. View our certifications and our commitment to excellence. Tariff information. Get instant access to the latest global trade updates and regulations. Trade shows and events. See where you can meet our team in person at upcoming industry events. Webinars and video podcasts. Learn directly from industry experts with our educational content. White papers. Deep dive into technical papers to solve your most complex design challenges. About. Learn more about our company and global reach. You can also check commitment to sustainability. Careers. Looking to join our team? This is where you'll find our latest opportunities. Contact. Use this tab to find our local offices or reach out to us instantly by contact form. If you have any kind of question, or if you need assistance, please reach out to our support team using the contact form. Thank you for watching and hope this helps you get started.